Now I give time to the judges panel for the declaration of prizes and request the Honorable DG to kindly give away the prizes. Dr. Arun from NIT, then one from Nelly, that is Meron, and one from the police department, Sri Unil Kichu.
Respected Director General of Police, respected Additional Director of Police, respected IGPs, respected senior officers, and other respected dignitaries and other organizers and the media people, as well as the participants. So a very warm good afternoon to one and all. So it's really a great effort taken by our Nagaland police team, especially our DGP sir, within a short period organize such a great event, Nagaland Police Hackathon 2021, and within a short period they conducted and completed in a event in a grand success. So out of 11, I heard that out of 11 participants registered and only 6 participants only turned up. So yesterday we have seen that 5 participants. And today morning, we have seen that 5 participants. So all the participants are from the different category. That are, they are from students level, as well as some faculty levels, as well as some of the professional and startup level also. In their level, they shown their effort, they taken their effort within the short period time. So they show some of the demo also. So really it is an appreciable one. Okay, really we are, because in our the state people, they are doing this, they are having this much talent, means we have to appreciate and we have to encourage that things. I hope that these kind of events in future definitely encourage our young professionals. So that bring their talents and definitely will be help our society in the via through our Nagaland police team. So definitely I hope that. So this is a great initiative. Okay. So I hope that every event, if we are conducting these kind of events, so then we can see that our young talent professionals, so definitely that idea will come up or tie up with the police team, so definitely it will help to the society in future. Okay. And these times we organize, I had within a very short period of time, so that only more number of participants, they cannot able to participate. And almost the five groups are participated, they shown their talents. So as a judge panel, myself, I am Dr. Arun from NIT Nagaland. Another one is Engineer Daniel from Navy sir. Another one is Unil sir from the Police IPS from Police Department. So we gathered, we judged the team members based on the technology, innovation and the viability. Okay. So based on that, we ranked the teams. So almost all are presented their level, they presented well. So definitely it is a very critical and crucial time to rank the team and evaluate the team as well as their ranks. But even though as a judge, our duty, we have to categorize the top 3 teams. Okay. So now I am going to declare the result. So now I declare the result based on the all the 3 categories. So now first I will list the third one. Okay. So the third prize goes to the Enigma team. So please we'll clap and
Policing is basically the to ensure security and to give justice to the citizens. It is a constant challenge that we face daily. The quest for security is always a constant challenge and also a mission statement for the police department. The history of policing was that initially it was to investigate and solve crimes after it had been committed. Then as it evolved, policing was something that how to prevent crime from happening. And like today, much more than that, it is also about predictive policing based on analytics of data, like during the early part of the century, like in the US, there was a system of detecting hotspots, crime hotspots. So like it was the beginning, the genesis of predictive policing. So like today we are at a threshold where technology is there for the police department to harness, to analyze it, and to use it for the security of citizens. Criminals also keep evolving. They use the same technology to commit their crimes. Now we have seen a spurt of cyber crimes, even in the state like ours. In the cities, so like every police has a very busy cyber wing, sometimes led by very senior officers, constantly on the job. So it's a race between the black hats and the white hats, so to speak. So in this regard, I'm very happy that we could conduct this first ever hackathon. I know that it's a very humble start, but also I want to tell you all that this was a very high priority direction given by the Prime Minister himself and the Union Home Minister during the last few DGs and IGs conference. This year in November, we had the latest conference there held in Lucknow, which I attended. So here also, that stress was given. So the takeaway from today's hackathon is that it is a long-term strategy for the police department, endorsed by none other than the Prime Minister himself. Thank you so much.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 10 in Global Chapter, and for Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.